Hey everybody, it's Neil, and here's something that should be necessary for a lot of people that want to quit smoking or vaping or something like that. These are some nicotine patches. This one here is the first step patch, and I'll show you guys what you get in here. You get this one here says 21 milligrams, so it's got a pretty decent thing. You get a whole set of 30 of these patches, and you can see what they are here. They are just a little Band-Aid thing. I guess I probably don't need to take it out of here, but it's just a little Band-Aid patch, and you'll just stick it on there, and hopefully it will keep you from having any urge to smoke or getting any of the withdrawal symptoms or anything like that. It's good to have these things here. You can put them anywhere, I think. Some people put them on their stomach or on their arm or back of the neck, whatever you want to do. You got these different little nicotine patches. So this is it here. This one here is 21 milligrams. They're pretty clear patches. You saw they were just kind of flesh colored. They kind of disappear. Just looks like a Band-Aid. So super easy, super awesome. Helps you quit smoking, controls cravings, and fights the withdrawal symptoms. And each little patch says it should last 24 hours. So definitely handy. Thumbs up. Very cool.